Password tab under Miscellaneous will give you the capability to change the default password settings. For example, changing the minimum password length, enabling strong passwords, disallowing commonly used passwords, changing the number of incorrect attempts before the account is logged out, account lockout length in minutes, disallow user login with password. This can be disallowing all user accounts or disallow SSO user accounts only. User password expiry and days. Change the default settings on how the behavior for the new accounts must be. For example, when enabled, all new accounts must change the default password given by the administrator. Number of previous passwords that cannot be reused. And reset password attempt interval. This is in minutes. These are the settings under the Password tab.